Ad hominem is a Latin phrase used as an adjective or adverb to describe an argument that attacks a person's character or motives instead of addressing the actual issue or argument at hand. Its origins. The term originates from Latin, meaning to the person. It was first used in logic and rhetoric to describe a tactic that appeals to personal bias rather than rational discussion. Explanation and usage. Ad hominem arguments are considered a logical fallacy because they divert attention from the topic and undermine constructive debate. Instead of addressing the merits of the issue, the focus shifts to discrediting the opponent personally. Example sentences. The debate turned into a series of ad hominem attacks rather than a discussion of the policy. Criticizing his background instead of his ideas was an obvious ad hominem move. Their cultural significance. Ad hominem arguments are frequently observed in politics, social media, and public discourse, where personal attacks are often used to undermine credibility. Recognizing this fallacy is crucial for promoting rational and objective discussions. Synonyms. Personal attack. Directly targeting an individual instead of their argument. Character assassination. Deliberate harm to someone's reputation. Fallacy. A flawed argument based on poor reasoning. Antonyms. Logical reasoning. Arguing based on sound principles and evidence. Fact-based argument. Centering discussion on verifiable information. Objective critique. Evaluating ideas without bias or personal attacks. Key takeaway: ad hominem arguments distract from meaningful dialogue by attacking the individual rather than addressing the issue, undermining logic and fairness in debates. Recognizing and avoiding this fallacy is essential for constructive discussions.